Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about what is a laptop computer. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. What is a laptop computer? A laptop computer, often simply referred to as laptop, is a portable and compact personal computer that integrates most of the essential components of a desktop computer into a single self-contained unit. Laptops are designed for mobility and are convenient for users who need a computer that they can easily carry with them and use in various locations. Characteristics of a laptop computer include: number 1, portability. Laptops are designed to be lightweight and compact, making them easy to transport. They are typically equipped with built-in screen, keyboard, and pointing device like a touchpad or trackpad, allowing users to work without additional peripherals. Number 2, internal components. Laptops include the essential hardware components found in desktop computers such as central processing unit or CPU, memory or RAM, storage, typically a hard drive or SSD or solid state drive, and a battery for power when not connected to an electrical outlet. Number 3, display. Laptops have a built-in display screen which comes in various sizes, resolutions, and technologies. Example, LCD or liquid crystal display, or LED or light emitting diode. The screen is usually attached to the laptop lid and can be opened and closed. Number 4, input devices. Laptops features an integrated keyboard and a pointing device like a touchpad or pointing stick to enable text entry and navigation. Number 5, connectivity. Laptops come with a range of ports and wireless connectivity options such as USB ports or universal serial bus, HDMI, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Ethernet to connect to other devices and networks. Number 6, battery. Laptops have a rechargeable battery that allows them to be used without a constant power source. The battery life varies depending on the laptop's size and usage. Number 7, operating system. Laptops typically run an operating system such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, which provides a user interface and manages software and hardware resources. Number 8, applications. Users can install and run a wide variety of software applications on laptops, including web browsers, productivity suites, graphic design software, and more. Number 9, multimedia features. Laptops often include built-in speakers, a webcam, and a microphone for multimedia purposes such as video conferencing and entertainment. Laptops have become an integral part of modern life, serving as versatile tools for work, education, communication, entertainment, and more. They come in various sizes and configurations, catering to different user needs, from basic tasks to high-performance computing for professionals and gamers. Okay guys, so we are here in the end of my report about what is a laptop computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you are new with my channel, kindly click the like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Guys, this is your friend Jake saying bye-bye for now.